Welcome, dear listeners, to another enchanting episode of Planticum's Plant Alchemy podcast. I am Trisha, your guide on this journey into the world of plants and mindfulness. Tonight's episode is designed to be your companion as you drift into a restful night's sleep. So find a cozy spot, settle in, and let's embark on a tranquil adventure together. As the day gently fades away, let's take a moment to embrace the serenity that surrounds us. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale positivity, exhale any lingering tension. Tonight, we nurture the subconscious with affirmations of peace, tranquility, and the promise of a beautiful tomorrow. As you enter the realm of dreams, let your subconscious absorb the positivity we have cultivated together. Visualize a garden of endless possibilities where every dream takes root and blossoms. Your thoughts are seeds, and tonight we plant the seeds of optimism, of creativity, and self-love. Now let's ease into a guided meditation to prepare your mind for a tranquil night. Picture yourself in a serene forest. The moonlight gently bathes the surroundings, casting a calming glow. As you walk through the forest, feel the softness of the moss beneath your feet and hear the gentle whispers of the leaves above.
connected, like tides around the world being pushed and pulled by an unseen force that stretches out to the moon.
Some feel the rain, and others just get wet.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
As we conclude this episode, I hope you carry the peace of this moment into your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, may your sleep be serene and your dreams be filled with the magic of nature. Good night, dear listeners.